Hello everyone, I am Said and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I try to talk about the iQOO 7 Legend, how we can actually buy for about 35,990 rupees. Yes friends, right now Amazon Prime Day sale is going on and a lot of users are actually interested to buy this iQOO 7 Legend. But let me tell you in this entire video, I'll try to explain you how you can actually get this phone for about 35,990. So if you look at the price right now in the Amazon, it's showing 39,990. But you can actually get the 3,000 rupees discount if you have the Amazon Prime account. Yes. So if you don't have the Amazon Prime account, don't worry friends, try to use my links in description, universal Amazon link, and try to click on that and try to create the Prime account. And because you are getting 3,000 rupees instant discount for the Amazon Prime users. Not only that, even you do have the bank discount as well on the top of that option. So right now, as you can see friends, 3,000 coupon is successfully applied in this way, as you can see. So now the overall price will come down to 36,990, and now I'll show you how you can actually get a little bit kind of more discount on this phone as well. So if you try to click on this more option, you can actually see the HDFC card discounts are there. But in this HDFC card, you should know a few things. Let me try to explain you what are the things. So if you try to see in this graph, you will think the maximum discount per card is 1,750, 1,750. So you can get the discount overall, but that's not the case. So maximum discount at one time is only 1,250 and 500. For the debit card is 500 and for credit card is 1,250 at one time. Yes, let me try to do the math. Right now, after using the 3,000 rupees discount, coupon discount, you'll get this kind of price. And if you use the HDFC credit card to pay non-EMI orders, as you can see, non-EMI orders, they did mention that you will get this kind of discount. But if you try to look at the example one, which they did mention in the bottom, the maximum discount per credit card is 1,750. So if you make any kind of credit purchase of 10,000 in first transaction, you will get discount instant of 1,000 rupees in first transaction, 1,000 rupees. That is the reason I'm trying to decrease only 1,000 rupees. As you can see, if you have the debit card, the maximum per card is this much, but in the first transaction, if you will get the instant discount of 500 rupees. As you can see, this is what they did mention in terms of the examples. So friends, by using this kind of cards, you can actually get this kind of discount on this iQOO 7 Legend. So at least you'll be discounting up to 3,000 rupees discount will be applied if you have the Amazon Prime account. That's kind of huge deal for a lot of other users. The price will definitely come down to 36,990 only. That's a really good offer. I think the iQOO 7 Legend right now it has got. And if you have the HDFC card, you can get discount 500 and 1,000 depending upon the transaction you did. So that's it friends. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more Amazon Prime Day sales as well offers. If you want any other doubts, let me know in the description below. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.